Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 facts about Zedd. Number 1. Anton Zaslavsky, better known as Zedd, was born on the 2nd of September 1989 in Saratov, Russia, making him 28 years old. Number 2. He really doesn't like it when people use the word lit. Number 3. In 2010 he won 2 Beatport remix contests with 2 songs, Lover's Key and Weapon of Choice. Number 4. His remix of Skrillex's Scary Monsters and Nice Sprites was ranked 2nd on the Beatport Electro House Top 10 charts. Number 5. He has produced music for the Black Eyed Peas and Lady Gaga in the past. Number 6. He started writing music before the age of 7 and would make a new song every day. Number 7. Apparently Zedd doesn't prepare his sets in advance. Number 8. He recently bought a $16 million mansion in Benedict Canyon, Los Angeles that is over 9,500 square feet. Number 9. His favourite place that he has ever performed is in Tokyo, Japan. Number 10. He was a part of the metal music group Dioramic, which was active from 2002 to 2012. Hey guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content on Quicktops. Also, if you want to check out my second channel, Quicktops 2, mainly focused on gaming and news, then feel free. And if you want to get a notification every time I upload, feel free to follow me on Twitter or click the bell icon next to the subscribe button. Links, as always, are in the description below. Have a great day, and I hope to see you in the future. Bye.